Hello beauties, what's up? I hope you all beauties are doing great today. So in today's video I am going to test out the viral blush technique. I always wanted to do this and finally I am doing it. So yeah, let's start without wasting any further time. Time for contour and concealer. So for concealer I'm using this pro concealer. Concealer is done. Now I'm going to, for contouring I am using the same pro concealer, the darker shade, and I like to use this small tiny, this is so cute, so this one, the tiny makeup blender. So I am done concealing. Now let's put on some foundation and let's see. For foundation I am using this Huda Beauty foundation in the shade of Latte. So basically this technique is just to give you a very natural look. Like normally हम क्या करते हैं, फाउंडेशन लगाने के बाद हम उसके ऊपर blush लगाते हैं. I have not applied any blush, so this is basically that lipstick. So this technique is quite good. I will be trying this thing only when I don't have a blush. What y'all say? Comment in the comment section, guys. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, thank you guys.